got just what he needs. Life will deliver a shot that will shiver him, driving him down to his knees. Make him start giving, living again. Let your mind